So this is experiment number 8, parallel processing using multi-threading. In this, the question number 1, it's told to create a program to read a paragraph, and we need to print the words and vowels using multi-threading, and this is the code for it. And here we have created two class, one is word thread and one is vowel thread, and both of this class implements the runnable interface, and it will be taking the string text, and string text will be initialized on our main method, and it will be taking string paragraph is equal to sc.next line, and it will be creating the runnable objects for each of the class, and each of the class it will be creating the thread objects, and the thread objects it will be taking as the text, and it will be initializing and it will be used with this keyword, and it will be initialized. Then we will be taking that text, and we'll be splitting all the words, and after splitting we will be taking a for loop, and with the for loop we will be printing each words by words with a 2-second delay. And this is the vowel thread, and in the vowel thread we will be taking the same text, and we will be iterating from the first character to the last character. So whenever there is a vowel, a capital letter or small letter vowel, it will be printing that vowel with a 2 seconds delay. So if we take the output, if I type anything, it will be showing the vowels, the word, vowels, word, like that it will be showing. Until this is used to start the thread, and this is used to close the scanner class, and this is the output for the program. And thank you. This is the question number 2. Create a Java program to read 10 numbers and uh, store it in an array, and to create two threads. One is to print the even numbers, one is to print the odd numbers. So this is a code for it. This is the we are creating two threads. One is even thread, one is odd thread. And in the even thread, it will be taking the array, and it will be taking all the taking the each values of the array, and if it is even it will be printing with a 2-second delay. And also in the odd thread it will be taking each number from the array, and if it is an odd number it will be printing the number with 2 seconds of delay. And this is the main method, and here we are initializing the array, and we are giving the values from the user, and the array values will be stored by a loop, by a loop using the for loop, and we'll be creating the thread objects. And after the thread objects is created, we will start the thread. And if we start the thread, this is the output: 1 2 3 4 5 8 9 10. So it will print the even, then odd number, like that. So this is output for the thread, and the program was stopped. Thank you. This is the experiment question number 3. In this we will be creating two threads. One is for the multiplication table, and one is for the divisor. We will be inputting a number, and we should print the multiplication table and divisor of that number. This is the code for that. We'll have created two threads. One is for multiplication table, and one is for the divisor. In the multiplication table thread, it will be taking the number, whatever number we give, it will be taking, and it will be printing the multiplication table by using a for loop, and it will be printing for every 2 seconds with a 2 seconds delay. And this is the divisor thread, and in the divisor, where whatever number we are giving, it will do all the factors for that, and it will be printing the factors when the remainder is 0, and it also will be printing with the 2 seconds delay. And this is the main method, and main method we are creating the scanner class, and we are inputting the any number, and we are creating the runnable objects, and we are creating the thread objects, and we will start the thread. So if we do the output for this, if I type 10, it will be showing this multiplication table with the divisors. This is the output. The multiplication table is shown, and also the devices are shown, and it will be done with a 2 seconds delay. And this is for the experiment number 8, parallel processing using multi-threading. And thank you.